Hey everyone, FAQ Wednesday. We get asked a lot, what does it mean to be a Leggari certified installer? So a Leggari certified installer is someone who has flown to Washington State and has taken our 2-day certification class. This class is specific for our types of installations. There are a lot of companies out there that are doing similar installations, but we have formulated products specifically for our processes, and that's what you will learn here. So even if you think you may know or you've been to other types of classes, I promise you this class is unlike anything you've ever experienced before. Once you become a Leggari certified installer, we essentially try to find you leads and get you as many customers as we can that inquire about our products that are in your area. So if you're not one, we welcome you to come to one of our classes. Hope to see you soon.